everyone, welcome back to X-STRUCTION. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a walk around of a 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe. You can see another Dark Essentials package. That's all I like to do, basically. So, you'll see me doing the one with the black wheels and stuff because it gives it a cooler look to me. Alright, so here are your headlights. You unlock it. That's what they do. And then you got your chrome stuff here. This is not dark, but it's chrome. Here's your dark Chevy logo, and then your camera there. Down here you have chrome again and stuff, and then you have little vents that travel out through here and into there, so you can see through like that. Here are your black wheels with gray in here. Tahoe, this is a dark metallic coat. You can read that. The front window's not tinted. So the other videos that I did, the front windows, the back windows that was on were tinted, so I couldn't do it. Here are your taillights, and when you unlock it, those light up. So this is a LT, luxury touring. Here's your camera, Tahoe stuff. Brake light is black up there, chrome stuff. Pull a button in here and it opens up on its own. Big Tahoe. See, do they give you, yes, there's your storage in there. You just lift it. See, you just push down here and then lift it up like that, and you have storage in there. Got a light here, and then there are your third row seats. You just press this button, I'm pretty sure, and it brings it back down. Yeah, that button right there. Then you got your camera and stuff there. And your taillights again, they say Chevrolet in there. Push it in, pull it out, gas goes in there. Pull this door open. Chevrolet badge is right there. Once you climb in, you can tell you're very high up. Same cool Chevy thing. It's even on your screen in this car too. There you go. And it says Chevrolet up there. Alright, so now you have your climate control stuff here. I mean, yeah, your climate is up here. Your climate control stuff's down here. USB-C port, USB port. Outlet is in here. Cup holders. Push in this button here and lift up. And then you have storage space in there. Pull that down. Here you have black, gray stitching, and then also you have your cup holders back here. Tahoe steering wheel, and then your digital cluster is up there. All your light settings, unlock and lock doors, and then all that stuff's here. Pull this here, and down will come your glove compartment. More spacious than some vehicles. There's a little storage space in here. It's really cool, but you gotta push in this and slide it. Push this button in like this. I don't know how much space is in there. There's definitely not much, but it's really cool. You got wood trim up here. Comes through like that the whole way. Air vents there. You can pull this stuff here down. And stuff. Then you pull these and the doors open. Nobody can match that power and performance. Well, Dodge does a pretty good job, but Chevy has more space than any Dodge SUVs I've ever seen. Here's your stuff there. USB-C ports. Yeah, Chevy has more space inside, that's what I mean. But, and you lift these. Dodge still does a pretty good job. Here you have USB ports, USB-C ports up there, cup holders, same over here. Seat belts come down through here, and then, so this here is a 7-seater SUV. So very nice SUV here. Boss sound system. Then you got storage space in here. This is awesome. Air here. All this stuff. I love these Chevy vehicles. Yeah, a really nice dealership. I am very thankful for their kind kindness of letting me do this stuff, and for your kindness of watching these videos.